Tired of climbing ladders and spending hours cleaning windows? In today's video, we're counting down the 5 best robot window cleaners you can buy in 2026. These smart cleaning robots use powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and advanced safety systems to keep your windows spotless with minimal effort. Whether you have large glass panels, high-rise apartment windows, or hard-to-reach glass surfaces, these robots can save you time and make window cleaning safer and easier than ever before. Number 5. Mamibot W120-T. The Mamibot W120-T is a popular choice among budget-conscious buyers who still want advanced robotic window cleaning capabilities. It features intelligent route planning, strong vacuum suction, and automatic edge detection for safe operation on a wide variety of glass surfaces. One of its biggest advantages is its effectiveness on frameless glass, shower doors, mirrors, and glass partitions. The robot is easy to set up and operate, making it ideal for first-time users entering the robot window cleaner category. While it may not include every premium feature found in flagship models, it offers solid cleaning performance and dependable results at a more affordable price point, making it a strong contender in 2026. Number 4. HOBOT S7 Pro. The HOBOT S7 Pro remains one of the best value robot window cleaners available in 2026. It combines reliable cleaning performance with intelligent navigation and strong suction technology. The robot automatically detects window edges and follows efficient cleaning patterns to cover large surfaces thoroughly. Its compact design makes it suitable for various window sizes, while the built-in safety features provide peace of mind during operation. Default text. The HOBOT S7 Pro is especially attractive for homeowners seeking a balance between affordability and performance. It handles routine window maintenance effectively and can significantly reduce the time and effort required for keeping glass surfaces clean throughout the year. Number 3. HOBOT S7 Pro. The HOBOT S7 Pro is designed for users who want professional-level window cleaning performance. One of its standout features is the dual ultrasonic spray system, which creates a fine mist to break down dirt before cleaning. The robot also includes advanced edge detection technology that makes it particularly effective on frameless glass surfaces and large windows. Its powerful suction system keeps the robot firmly attached, while intelligent navigation ensures complete coverage across the glass. The S7 Pro performs exceptionally well on floor-to-ceiling windows, glass railings, and modern architectural glass installations. If your home has extensive glass surfaces and you want streak-free results with minimal effort, the HOBOT S7 Pro is an excellent investment. Number 2. ECOVACS Winbot W2 Omni. The ECOVACS Winbot W2 Omni offers many of the premium features found in the Pro model while remaining a more budget-friendly option. Equipped with advanced path planning technology and strong suction power, it effectively cleans framed and frameless windows with impressive accuracy. Its 3-nozzle wide-angle spray system distributes cleaning solution evenly across the glass, helping remove fingerprints, dust, and light stains. The robot's intelligent sensors detect edges and obstacles to improve safety and cleaning efficiency. For homeowners who want reliable automated window cleaning without paying flagship prices, the Winbot W2 Omni delivers excellent value. It's especially suitable for large residential windows, mirrors, and glass doors. Number 1. ECOVACS Winbot W2 Pro Omni. The ECOVACS Winbot W2 Pro Omni is widely considered one of the most advanced robot window cleaners available in 2026. It features intelligent windslam navigation technology that creates efficient cleaning paths while avoiding missed spots. The robot uses powerful suction to stay securely attached to glass surfaces and includes a comprehensive safety system with backup protection. Its portable Omni station provides cordless flexibility, making it ideal for cleaning large windows, glass doors, and exterior glass surfaces. The triple-nozzle spray system helps loosen dirt and grime before wiping it away with microfiber pads. If you're looking for premium performance, smart features, and excellent cleaning results, the Winbot W2 Pro Omni is one of the strongest choices on the market today.